In this video, we will check like how to fetch the logic or how to get the logic to get this PO header text in like uh, if you want to give a custom logic to a paper, like they want the same header text in SmartForms, or they want this header text in program. So in that way, we will check like how to fetch this header text. So for this we have a function module called read text. So I'll quickly show you one of the PO ME523N. So let's say this is my text maintained in that PO. So for header text it is test1, header note it is test2, pricing types it is standard pricing. So this all I have maintained. Now if you want to fetch this, you will not get this in any of the tables. So for that, what we will go to SE37. Oh, SE37. So here the function model is read text. I will quickly click on test. Now it is asking you for ID, language, name, object, all these things. But we don't know like what to insert in these fields. So in order to get the details, we'll simply click on this text, double click on this text, maintain text. Yeah, so I'll just allow this. And then this text will be visible in this. So simply click on F1. Oh, sorry, not F1. So here we need to go to header. So here we will get all the details for this text. So for the standard pricing, the language is EN, text name is the PO number. So I'll just copy the text name. Okay, we'll go line by line. Okay, so text ID. So text ID is F03. So here I will enter F03. Language, as you can see, EN. So here I will give EN. Name. Now in name we will give the PO number, as you can see over here. Text name is PO number. So here PO number. And object. So object is the table which is EKKO. So as you know, header table is EKKO. Now if I click on execute, you will get one result over here. And if I will open this, you will get the standard pricing. Similarly, if you want to check for some other header text, then we can do the same thing. Like I will quickly go to ME23N. And go to text. Let's say I need to check this header text, so I'll double click on this. Close. I'll click on go to header. Now you will see the text ID is F01. So all the details will be same, as this is the same PO. Just I will click change the text ID. If, as you can see, EKQ is the table, name is PO because this is the same PO number. Then language same, and I will change the ID and I will click on execute. Now if you see the for F01 ID, which is header text, it is test1. Test1. Let's say I need to check. I will add one field over here. Terms of delivery. Okay. So I will add SAP simplified by Prasad. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel SAP simplified by Prasad. So will do my promotion of the channel. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel SAP simplified by Prasad. So I'll click on save. I'll save this, and as you can see in the uh, terms of delivery, leave it, right? Why it didn't got saved? Okay, again, okay, it was not updated. So now as you can see, it got updated. I will go to display mode. I'll double click on this. Click on go to header. So the text ID for terms of delivery is F05. So I'll simply enter F05 in this. Rest of the details are the same. Click on execute. We will get one as a result entry. Like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in this way we can provide the logic to fetch the header text. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad for more such SAP videos. So thank you. Thank you for watching.